Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to search for story facts on Instagram. So for the first step is to open the Instagram app on this Android device. So now you will have to move quickly in the on the top left corner of your story. So from here you will choose the camera and you will see where is the button where I have to just click to record. You will see you will slide it right side for different effects. So from here you will just add the effects on stories. So you can just go on the right slides and the effects will be changed. So this is how you can apply effects on stories. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more video.